welcome to another episode in Nati's kitchen. So we're going to be making 3 different kinds of empanadas. The first one is a breakfast empanada, which inside it's filled with tofu scramble. The second is vegan picadillo empanadas. And the third empanada is a sweet empanada filled with apple butter and sprinkled with a little bit of powdered sugar. Of course, obviously, you don't have to make all 3 empanadas in one day. If you're feeling strong, go for it, make all 3. I did it. It's a lot of work, but hey, at least you have so much food for the week. You can also just make 1. So I'm going to show you guys what I use to make the empanadas. Of course, you can just get a cup, a bowl, whatever you want that has the shape, the circle size that you want, and you can make it that way, so you really don't need any tools. But if you want one, I like tools. You can get them on Amazon. I did get some plastic ones, medium-sized ones. Got this round here shape that you can just press down and cut the empanadas. The opposite side has the little ridges. I don't really like to use that. I'd rather just use a fork. It's kind of complicated to use. Got a smaller size. See, it's a little smaller. It's also got the round cutting size. Again, with the ridges, you can fold it. Also, didn't use it. I really like to just use a fork. I think it's just easier, and I like how much tighter it makes it when you try to press down the edges. So who's ready to cook some empanadas? Let's go! there you have it. I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Let me know which one was your favorite, if you made the breakfast one, if you made the vegan picadillo, maybe the sweet ones. My personal favorite are the picadillo ones, again, because I'm obsessed with green olives, so that's my favorite. My husband's favorite are the breakfast ones, so to each his own. I'd love to see what you make. Please comment below, share your thoughts. Maybe you added something different that I didn't think of. Maybe try your own fillings for the sweet ones. I really wanted to try putting guava paste, which we used to in Puerto Rico when I was little. We ate a lot of pastelitos de guayaba. So basically it's like a guava jam and it's delicious, but I couldn't find it here, so I did apple butter. So you can swap it out for whatever you want, honestly. Any kind of jelly, any kind of jam. You can even put actual fruit, whatever you want. If you feel like you loved this video, I hope you did. Click like below, maybe hit subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to follow me on a more personal note, feel free to follow me on Instagram. The details, you can find them below. I can't wait to cook with you guys again. Adios!